What is up, guys? It is Adam here from the Able channel, and today I got an awesome new video for you guys. So this audio is going from like outside of the thing. I don't know. So my mic wasn't working at this time, so that's what happened. And anyway, guys, let's start the video. Okay, what's happening? Wait, I don't understand why I respawned. I didn't die. This is honestly just a joke. Oh my god, can you not, fam? Okay, just gotta hurry up, go over this hill. Oh, zombie, bro. Come on, kill. I gotta kill him, I gotta kill him. It's taking so long. Just die, zombie. Die. Oh my god. Thank you. Finally, he died. Okay, so I think the smart thing to do would be either mine or make a house. That's what I'm going to try to do. I'm just going to try to break some trees and then I'm going to mine, whatever. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to try to do. Okay, so yeah, be quiet, cow. Okay, let's go. Hopefully I don't stuff anything up. Okay, to get the wood. That's a huge tree, by the way. Break. Okay, so backstory. I tried to make a Fortnite video before, but as you guys have seen, it didn't work. So, oh my god. Okay, that was not good. That was skeleton and blah. I'll be fine. Anyway. So basically, when I was making the Fortnite video, I stuffed it up and the computer couldn't hold the graphics of Fortnite, so it didn't work. And I recorded it and I don't know how to like take it off the thing now, so I'm kind of stuffed. And yeah, this is Minecraft. I don't know why I'm making a Minecraft video. This was like a second best option I could make. This is gonna be my only Minecraft video. Just saying, yeah. And by the way, my new vlog is coming out very soon. Yeah. Go away, love. I don't want to die yet. Yeah. Honestly, I wish I had some music right now. You know, let's put some music behind. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, triple B's. Yes, sis, there's my sister. Watch the rockin' zero twos. Rockin' zero twos. Rockin' zero twos. Play refresh, play your duels. Okay, that's enough. I don't want to get copyrighted. So yeah, guys. Oh, Mello's got a song. Why do I have the duck thing? I think I'll play this. Okay, why is his voice disgusting? What's rockin' zero twos? Here, this is what I like to do. Like it. I like to win in Fortnite, if you did not understand that already. Yeah, so if this video glitches out, I'm very sorry. I've tried my hardest. So yeah, actually this video is doing quite well so far. And I got an awesome playlist on Apple Music, by the way, guys. It is called... Let me just get it up on my phone. It's taking so long. It's called, I think, AAA or Cat. I got Look Alive by Block Boy JB featuring Drake. Sick Boy by the Chainsmokers. ZO2 by Zoe. Bonzo Ball, Everybody Hates Me by the Chainsmokers, Transitor, Black Coast, it's by Black Coast, Transitor, Feet M Maggie or something like that. Oh my god, I like to win on the track. It's actually a pretty good thing. Anyway, I'm gonna start building now because yeah, as you can see, we're building. Sorry, I went on that tangent. This is being pre-recorded right now. Just wanting you to know, So yeah, if you guys want me to make more of these videos, just ask, cause I will. So yeah, my brother right now is actually at a coding club and he's doing VR and like sneaking a Fortnite grind game. Yeah, cause I like it, I like it. Oh, by the way, it's National Siblings Day. If you guys did not know that. Ooh, go. Okay, guys. So, what do you guys think about my Fortnite skill? Oh yeah, never mind. Can't. What do you guys feel about my Minecraft skills? I think they're pretty good. But then again, there's people like Preston Plays and Lachlan who just slay. Okay. And if you guys are Australian, what footy teams do you guys go for? Because I honestly would like to know if I'd like to know. And yesterday I went my first time golfing, and yeah, guys, I'm actually quite scared of the mobs in this game. I don't know why. To your best, guys. Okay. I know this gameplay is kind of glitchy, but bro, you can't get mad at me. I'm using like a terrible PC, fam. I'm using a blah 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 blah. I'm using a terrible PC. So yeah, that's the reason why. Anyway, okay. I'm gonna go in a few seconds and I'm gonna come back and then my house will nearly be finished. Okay, or it will be the morning. It will be the morning by then. The fam got. Yeah. Yeah. Can you give me a feel? Anyway, sorry about that. I'm just gonna take my headphones for a second. Oh, wait. What do you guys think about me? I'm a savage, you got me. I just hate anything called a skeleton. Okay, I'm terrified of spiders in this game. I have no idea why. I'm just absolutely disgustingly scared of them. I'm just scared of the spiders, okay? I've been scared of spiders since I was born. Ah, 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 ah. Anyway, yeah, this is what's happening. You know, I legit, like, gotta go mining soon. And I gotta get the, I gotta get some stuff, actually. You know, I gotta get some iron, so I can make some more irons, you know? You got me? You know what I mean? Okay. So, guys, yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Just for the mining. Mining's fun. you know. I don't know why I'm mining this. I don't know. I don't know. I'll be back. What is up, guys? So yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and remember to subscribe, like, and put post notifications on so you get notified every single time I make a new video. Hope you enjoyed this Minecraft video, and if you want me to do more, in the poll on the top right, you gotta say if you want to do more. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and see ya.